Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are all well and good. Today we are going to write 10 lines easy essay on load shedding. Point number 1. Load shedding means a certain time when the electricity supply got stopped. It is a very common problem in our country. A lower development country, we are facing these problems often. Most of the cities and villages are facing this unbearable problem. There are so many reasons behind load shedding. The main cause is there is not enough electricity production and that can't meet the demand. The government should build more power plants for producing more electricity. We should stop wasting and learn how to save electricity so that we can use properly. Load shedding brings so many problems in our life. Students can't focus on their studies. The bad people get a chance to do their criminal activities. So students, hope you will like this easy 10 lines essay and this will very helpful for your summer activities, summer vacation works and winter vacation works. Allah Hafiz, till next video.